Yes, let us see these two, the two simple straightforward steps. It will be in SPRO. Enterprise structure. Define. We need to define the credit control area. As I told you, it's done by FI team. It will be in financial accounting. Here, define credit control area. We don't need to define. Already there are predefined by SAP or some FI consultants will use this as it is. And now we need to go and see to our company code which credit control area is assigned. We'll come to assignment part. Again in financial accounting, we have this second step, assign company code to credit control area. So we are using 0001 company code, right from day one. Okay. So for 0001 company code, the credit control area assigned is 0001. Clear these two steps, Dilip?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll just make a note of it here. Credit control area 0001. 0001 to 0001. Now the third important part is credit management configuration. Now credit check can be done at three levels. One at order creation level, the second while delivery creation level, the third while post goods issue level. Now you might ask why at three levels.
हेलो
Yeah.
सर जैसे एफआई टीम ये कोड असाइन करेगी तो वो हम लोग को कैसे मालूम चलेगा कि हम लोग तो स्टैंडर्ड वन ले रहे हैं?
नहीं वो बताएगी ना, कंपनी क्लाइंट देगा, हमें कुछ नहीं करने का है. All the requirement will be given by client. So when we come to this credit management setting, हम क्लाइंट को बोलेंगे भाई देखो इट्स कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ क्रेडिट कंट्रोल एरिया प्लस रिस्क कैटेगरी प्लस क्रेडिट ग्रुप. नाउ यू टेल मी टू विच क्रेडिट कंट्रोल एरिया यू वांट अस टू कॉन्फ़िगर. वो जो बोलेगा हमें करना है. सिंपल. कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के टाइम हमें दिमाग नहीं लगाना है. एज इट इज वॉट एवर ही टेल्स वी नीड टू डू. ओनली थिंग इफ दे हैव सम इश्यूज वी नीड टू गाइड देम, because it's not necessary that everyone will know SAP, right? So if they know SAP, they'll just straight away tell you do this, do that. If they don't know, we need to guide them. Okay, sir, this is how it is done. So you please tell me what is the credit control area to which you want to assign. Then again they'll go back to FI team. They'll get us that information. Simple. More we need to ask questions to client. Okay. We can't assign anything. Prepare first. We need to prepare document, get their approval. Only then we need to assign. Yes, sir. Now at three levels we can do the credit check, order, delivery, PGI. Now you might ask why at three levels. So again it depends on the nature of business you are in. So if you are into some FMCG or pharma industry wherein morning order gets created and by afternoon or evening you should deliver it to the customer dealer. Okay. In that case same day delivery, PGI invoice, everything happens. It's a fast moving goods. So in that case, it makes sense to do the credit check at order creation only. If there is no sufficient balance to the dealer, stop it. But assume that you are into the business of some locomotive manufacturing, heavy industry, aircraft or ship building, wherein you get order today, but you'll do delivery after 1 year, 2 years. Right? Immediately you won't deliver. And it's like crores of order. It's not 5-10 rupees orders. Okay? So in that case, definitely no one will upfront pay you, or no one will check if you have balance or not, and they are done by big industries or big governments only, not some small dealers. So that time what Boeing or ship industry will say, okay boss, I'll create order, but by the time of delivery or PJ you should have your sufficient balance, then I'll proceed. Got it, Dilip?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Understood.
Now let us see the third part, credit management configuration. It will be done under SPRO, sales and distribution, basic functions, and here I have credit management, risk management. I'll just expand this, and credit management again. Okay. So here the first one is define credit group. Credit group is nothing but standard three groups, whether you want to do it order level, delivery or PJ. That's 1, 2, 3. There's no, if you want to create again it will be the same. There's no much difference as such. Okay. Then here assign sales document type and delivery document type. So you need to tell system which all order types you want to do the credit check. Okay. So if you see for AGIS, I have credit check assigned. It means D. It means system will do the credit check for all AGIS order type. In VA01, if I give AGIS, it will check whether that customer has balance or not. But same way, if I do AP, AR, AS or any of these orders, system won't do because I haven't given any credit check. So even if there's balance or not, system will keep creating orders, deliveries and invoices. Right? So you need to assign this D and 01 to your order type. Dilip. Z444, right?
Yes.
Or ZD44.
Sales document
ZD44, yeah. See here. If you remove this D, it won't work. I mean, credit check won't happen.
Okay.
So if you try to do ZDP, it won't check. Whatever crores, billions of orders, system will create. So for all the order types, it's assigned. Same way, if you want to do a delivery level, just go to delivery types and you need to assign it delivery level. LF is our standard delivery. So here we have assigned. Okay. So that's a business call again. Business will tell whether they want to do it credit order level or delivery level. It is not our headache. Whatever they tell, we will do. Simple. Our role is to guide them that okay, this is it will do at this level, sir. It will do at this level. Now you tell me where you want. Simple. Okay. Then here is the heart of credit management. Define automatic credit control. So credit management is configured based on 3 parameters. The first one is credit control area, which we have just seen, created by FI team. The second one is credit group. Here, 1 is order, 2 is delivery, 3 is a PJ level, at which level you want to do the credit check. Third is the risk category. So this risk category will come to it in some time. So each and every dealer that you create team, you will categorize, or the business basically, not we consultants, but the business who is implementing SAP, they'll categorize each dealer into high risk, low risk, medium risk, or whatever the more categories they want, they can configure. So that denotes how good the dealer is doing business. If the dealer falls under high risk, it means we need to do some different credit check. The configuration should be different. Whereas if it's low risk, where he is doing payments on time without any issues, and he's taking good orders, everything, the business will categorize him or her under low risk, and the credit management settings will be different for that particular group. Now let us see the configuration part. Let's select this and insert the details. So Dilip and team, this is the screen where the whole configuration is done. So I spoke about this credit seasonal factor. So the purpose of this, they might ask in interview. So team, understand, like if you're into business of ice cream manufacturing, you know that April, May, June summer seasons are the peak season for you, where you can do more sales and you can earn more profits. Now you have 10 dealers under you. All of them have say 1000 rupees as credit limit available with them. Now though you tell them to increase their credit limit, put money and do more business, that few will do, few might not do. So what you can do is SAP has given us a provision. Come here and give some percentage, say some 50% from date, from April 1st to June 30, 31st you keep. So what system will do? In between this date range, how much ever the credit limit of customer is, it will automatically add by 50% in system. So if they have 2000 rupees, in system it will automatically make it 3000. It will add by 50%. If it is 4000, it will make 6000. Same if you put minus, it will reduce simply. Okay. Instead of going to each and every customer's account and adding it manually, one time we can do this way by a standard fixed percentage. Okay, it's not amount based, it's percentage based. Any doubts, team, so far?
Yes, sir. So this 50% increase means, let's say one customer have 1000 rupees and they want to purchase for 1500.
Correct.
So
yes,
will it accept?
Exactly, yes. So though they have 1000 only, but since we are increasing by 50%, So it automatically system takes 1500.
Okay.
Okay, plus 500 it is adding half. And they can create sale order worth 1500. Simple. It won't give credit check. If it is more than 1500, it will stop.
But the initial doubt, sir, see, their credit is only 1000 rupees.
Correct.
Why they are, without having the credit, why we
To
need to
increase,
give
to
50%?
promote the sales, Dilip. So they know, business knows that during summer season, cool drinks and ice cream sells like hotcake.
Okay.
Now, as imagine there are 1000 dealers for quality ice cream.
Okay.
Now, either quality person can say to 1000 dealers bought, increase your limit, do the more sales. Few might do, few might not do, right?
Right.
So what quality will do is proactively, without informing them or by informing them, he'll say, boss, I'm increasing your limit in system by 50% so that your limit is more. Try to do more business, create more orders for me. Okay, proactively. Again, he'll collect money, no doubt in that. But he knows, and it will work only from this time frame, whatever we have given to you. It won't work forever. After July 1st, again it will stop. It will be 1000 only.
Okay.
That's.
Right.
I mean, just to promote his sales, business will take some such decisions at times. And it's not necessary that everyone should do it based on that peak season, especially for FMCG only we have seen, or clothing industry. So in winter comes someone with jackets, sweaters, that business will be more, right? So just to provide some benefit to business to make more sales, they will do this. Okay.
Yes.
Then we have this dynamic checkbox. Okay. So this will control if the credit limit exceed, how system should behave. Okay. If I put blank, it won't do anything. If I put A, it will just give me a warning. Boss, your credit limit is increased, you can't create order, or it will stop. If I put B, it will give me an error message. So there's a difference between warning and error. The main difference is, with error message, you can't save the order, but with warning, it will give you a warning, but still you can continue and save the order. That's the difference. Okay. So for low risk, you'll just give them a warning. But if it's a high risk, you'll make it simple. You don't want them to create order. That's it. That is how you'll configure. Again, that's a business call to how they want to configure. C and D are same options, but only advantage in C and D is it will tell you by how much value your credit has been exceeded. Simple. Either while going to ATM, if you have 1000, you are withdrawing 1500. If they have set in your SBS ATM or some ATM, if they have set B, it will just give error. It will say insufficient balance. But same way, if they have put D, it will show you your balance is exceeded by 500 rupees. That amount it will give. That's it. Got it? Difference?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
नहीं अमित, voice is breaking.
Hello.
हाँ.
Sir, यहाँ पर only C था. I was able to keep D. I was not able to do. मैं यहाँ पे D रख रहा था, लेकिन D नहीं एक्सेप्ट कर रहा था सर.
लेगा ना, क्यों नहीं? D, hit enter, save, बस कुछ नहीं करना. खत्म.
आपसे तो हो गया, लेकिन सर मैं मतलब मेरे से नहीं हो रहा था यहाँ पे.
अच्छा, कुछ है नहीं है करने का.
लेकिन नहीं.
ओके, कुछ है नहीं करने का. यहाँ पे कुछ भी ले लो. B ले लो, D ले लो, जो भी ले लो हो जाएगा. अब दिखाओ, स्क्रीनशॉट दिखा तो मैं बता पाऊंगा. Okay. Then after this we have two important steps. Pricing procedure. So team, you are creating a sale order of say worth 100 rupees. Okay. But your credit limit is say 80 rupees. Now, system should compare this 100 with 80, right? Correct. and it will say, okay, 100 is more than 80, so I won't allow you to create sale order. But if my sale order value is say 60 rupees, then system will compare 60 with 80 credit limit. It will say, okay, 60 is less than 80, you are within your credit limit, I will allow you to create the order. Now where the system is doing this comparison, that is very important configuration. Okay. This comparison will be done only if in your pricing procedure you update something that I will tell you. So let's do for Amit. Amit, your pricing procedure is analysis ZPNO. Now in the ZPNO pricing procedure, pricing control, pricing procedures, maintain pricing procedure. Okay. In the ZPNO pricing procedure, I need to get into control data. Amit, आपने यहाँ किया ही नहीं है step, इसलिए नहीं कर रहा है वो. You miss this step. Okay. So in the net price, under subtotal column, you should give the value as A. If you don't put A, system will not know what to compare. Only आप जब ये A लगाओगे, then while order creation, what is your net value? It is 2,222,442, and what is your credit limit? System will compare those two. अगर ये A नहीं लगाएंगे, it won't compare. Clear, team?
सर मैं यहाँ पे 20/08 से गया था, तो वहाँ पर दूसरा
नहीं 20
एक बार करिए 20
यही आएगा
जी.
चेंज प्रोसीजर्स.
जेट पैन पोजीशन,
जेट पैन नहीं, ZPNO है आपका प्रोसीजर
जी.
यहाँ.
ओके.
अमित प्राइसिंग प्रोसीजर. जेट पैन इज योर ऑर्डर टाइप में भी और सेल्स ऑल, तो इसलिए आप सब लिख लीजिए.
सर मैं
हाँ, आपने दूसरे इसमें दिया था शायद. जेट पैन है क्या? हाँ, आपने जेट पैन में दिया था. ओके. But in your sale order, you need to check which procedure is getting determined. You need to click on analysis. आपके sale order में ZPNO आ रहा है, not ZPAN. Okay. Again, it dates back to your pricing procedure determination step, Amit. OVK के starting में जब हमने देखा था वहां पे, तो अब ZPAN करोगे तो it will work. But now since the system is seeing ZPNO, we need to do the setting in ZPNO. Okay?
जी.
Else मैं कर देता हूँ /OVK यहाँ पे. So sales area plus document pricing procedure plus customer pricing procedure team. ZPAN, ZF. ये देखो ZPNO है. It's not ZPAN. Okay. ZPAN. अभी कर रहा हूँ सेटिंग. FD. Now Dilip, last step is you have defined everything. Now you need to define the limit for each and every customer, right? Then only system will check how much credit limit is there and how much they are trying to create the order. It's like system should know how much is in your account, 1,000, 2,000. Only then it can compare with how much you are withdrawing. Okay. So the decode to maintain this credit limit is FD32. Again, this will be done by FI consultants or business. Okay. SD consultants, they will not even give access to this decode. Okay. So now 315 is the customer code with whom we are working. Let's define some credit limit for this 315 customer. /N FD32. Okay. 315 is the customer. Credit control area that we're using was 0001. And I'll check all this. Okay, so here we will define the credit limit. Okay, so this person has, say, how much? 3 lakh rupees of credit limit. Now, if this person creates an order with more than 3 lakh, it should give us error. Okay. And Amit, आपने ये risk category नहीं लगाया. Is it high, low, medium? Because only based on that risk category, system will check किसका credit check करना है या नहीं. SPRO वरना वो नहीं, उसको समझ में नहीं आएगा कि कौन से risk category से मैं compare करना है मुझे. So basic functions, credit management. So there is no risk category. 1, 2, 3, 3 है. I'll put 001 for now in this case. Okay. And team, this someone from business, they'll keep on updating it periodically. The risk category. Because if a customer is in high risk, not necessary that forever he or she'll always be in high risk. They can, if after 1, 2 years they are doing good business, they'll come to medium risk or low risk, something like that. Okay. Now let us see. So first, for it to work, we need to create one invoice. Only then it will work for subsequent orders. Okay. 003. तो एक इनवॉइस रहना कंपलसरी है. देखिए इसका इनवॉइस बनाएंगे फटाफट. स्टॉक है क्या इसका? 6 मटेरियल का /OMMB 60005. काफी स्टॉक है. गुड. /MBA02 20306. Document in PJ हो गया. इनवॉइस /MBA01 8108. ठीक है. F2 इनवॉइस. एक इनवॉइस बन चुका. अभी इसके 3 लाख रुपीस उड़ गए. Now only if he pays, then he can create new order without clearing this invoice. If this customer tries to create new sale order, then let us see if it is giving error or not. 315. FD32 15. अभी भी यूज नहीं हुआ कुछ. क्रेडिट लिमिट /FD32. 315 का तो हमने इनवॉइस किया है अभी, कंट्रोल एरिया कस्टमर नहीं हुआ। बिलिंग डेट 10 आज कौन सा क्रिएट हुआ? दैट पैन।
सर मैंने एक मॉर्निंग,
अच्छा ये होगा शायद कंट्रोल सी स्लैश OVF03। ये तो हो गया 300 ना, घट जाना चाहिए था। 301 कंपनी कोड क्या है? कंपनी कोड 000 है। कंट्रोल एरिया ये हटा क्यों नहीं? FD32 credit used, it should have increased। okay, ठीक है, काम बैकस्लैश नो पेमेंट हिस्ट्री वाज रिकॉर्डेड अप टिल नाउ, क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? ये भी जाना लिमिट एक्सीड कंडीशंस 29, अब नेट प्राइस पे 29 पे लगाया है। सेव गो टर्म्स Z pan 1 right, change view pricing control pan pricing या नेट प्राइस पे सब टोटल में आपने ए लगा दिया है। यस दिस इज फाइन, शुड फिर कंट्रोल एरिया 01 ओवर पे वो रहेगा ही। सेल्स डॉक्यूमेंट है चेक ओवर पे और 01 है, ये रिफ्रेश क्यों नहीं हुआ? 12 रिस्क कैटेगरी 1 ये चेंज नहीं हो रहा है। आशीष, व्हाट वाज योर कोड? 306 राइट?
Yes, sir. Not yes.
और 306 पे अच्छा acceleration 902 52 इतना अमाउंट है एच document is complete and save। इसका भी नहीं है, उस दिन तो आया था अपने को 20308 9 okay। नहीं कॉस्ट ये पता नहीं। ओके और ZPAN ZF मटेरियल 6 क्वांटिटी 33 लूंगा। नहीं, समथिंग इज रॉन्ग। आई नीड टाइम टू चेक दिस, क्यों नहीं आ रहा है। उस दिन तो आ रहा था, it was working fine, not sure what settings again changed। Incoterms complete data so Dilip, ideally here we should get pop-up while saving order that credit limit has exceeded, we can't create the order, but here it's going on creating, so Some setting is still missing. I need 1 day's time to check this. Okay. Was
Sure,
working
sir.
fine last week. So team, tomorrow I'll check and let you know this.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
But that is the configuration. I'll show that pop-up as well. Okay. And tomorrow once we do that, let us KAROGE ASAP. This won't take much time. You can club this ASAP method in type of projects. Tomorrow, isko fir 1 day for this. And if you guys are fine with Saturday, we can finish this. Ya to fir Diwali ke baad, 1 o'clock. Okay, let's see on take a call on Friday. Okay. So can keep practicing team. Any doubts, do let me know.